In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a weekly schedule in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean color-coded planner you can update in seconds. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. Click into cell A2 and type the word time. In cell B1, enter the date for the start of your week, so you always know which schedule you are looking at. Now label your days across the top in B2 through H2. Type Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you prefer, type Monday in B2 and drag the fill handle across to let Sheets complete the sequence automatically. Next, add your time slots. Beginning in A3, type your first time, like 8 o'clock a.m. Then press Enter and add 9 o'clock a.m., 10 o'clock a.m., and so on. To speed this up, select the first two times, then drag the fill handle down to create an hourly list. For half-hour blocks, start with 8 o'clock a.m. and 8:30 a.m. before dragging. If your times don't display correctly, go to Format, Number, and choose Time to keep everything consistent. Let's clean up the layout so it's easy to read. Select the entire table area from A2 down through your last time slot and across to H. Click the borders icon and apply a thick outer border and a lighter inner grid, so each cell is clearly defined. Adjust column widths for the days and widen column A slightly so the times aren't cut off. A clear grid makes planning faster. Now add color coding with conditional formatting. Select the scheduling area, B3 through H, and your last row. Go to Format, then Conditional Formatting. Add a rule using text contains and type work. Pick a background color, and click Done. Add another rule for meeting with a different color. You can repeat this for study, personal, or break whatever labels you use, so your schedule becomes scannable at a glance. Finally, make entries effortless with drop-downs. With B3 through H selected, go to Data. Data Validation, choose drop-down or list of items, then enter your options separated by commas. Like work, meeting, break. Personal. Apply the rule and you'll see a small arrow in each cell. Click any slot to pick an activity instead of typing, which keeps labels consistent and your color rules working. You now have a weekly schedule that's structured, readable, and easy to maintain. Update the date in B1 each week. Reuse your template, and you are set. Thanks for watching.